What's going on? Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of this. This is the Galaxy Watch. Let's get into it. So first, let's just take a look at the box itself. I got the 42mm Bluetooth version. Here's just some marketing on the side, tells you what it can do. The back shows that it has Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, GPS, and a whole bunch of other things. Nothing on this side. All right, let's get this open. Well, there's the watch already. Looks really nice so far. We'll see what else is in the box first, though. On the right side, what is this? Looks like another strap. I don't know if it's not attached already. There's that. Little quick start guide. Charger brick. And that's all for that side. Onto the next side. There's the micro USB charger. Unfortunate that it doesn't use USB Type-C, but oh well. And here's the charging dock itself. Looks pretty much the same as the Gear S2 one that I have. Go ahead and take this plastic off real quick. Now let's take a look at the watch. Dang, that is just nice looking. Got like a silicone wristband. Not too heavy, which I'm glad. Let's turn it on. Alright, I guess it takes a second to turn on. Okay, looks like I have to do the rest from my phone, so I'll be right back with that. Okay, so I'm in the rest of the setup now. I'm just gonna go through that, see what it entails. I got this watch because my S2 actually doesn't hold a charge anymore. It'll really only last for 4 or 5 hours maximum, so I really needed a new watch. And since this was the newest one out, I figured I might as well get it. Probably will last me a while. Alright, looks like we're good to go. Maybe? Oh, there we go. Alright, let's just look at all the watch faces real quick, see which ones they have pre-installed. And then it looks like you can go straight to the Galaxy store. Now let's take a look and compare them, the Galaxy S2 and the Galaxy Watch. My Galaxy S2 is kind of beat up now. I've had it for a couple years. They do look like they're pretty much exactly the same size. It does look like it's a little thinner than the S2. Look at the back of it. Sensor. And I actually figured out that this wrist strap is actually just a longer version. That's what that was about. This bezel feels pretty nice to turn, especially compared to the S2. It just has these really defined clicks. Pretty easy to turn though. And I'm gonna put a screen protector on it. I bought this pack of 3 of them just to make sure it's a little more safe on my wrist. Don't want to break the screen. Here I'm just gonna speed up the footage of me cleaning the screen off because it was a little too long. Alright, so I almost messed it up, but I figured out the best way to do it is just kind of lay it on there and then adjust it and then press it down instead of trying to line it up with the side and then push it down. Let's give it a little clean. And you can barely tell that there's even a screen protector on there. Pretty happy with how it turned out. Doesn't look to be like there's any dirt on there except for maybe over here in the corner. I'm gonna try and clean that off. Okay, good. Was just on the top of it. I'm just gonna check out the store real quick. Take a look at the watch faces, see if there's anything cool just in the top section. This one looks kind of cool. Let's download this one. Doesn't take too long to download. Wasn't too bad. Alright, that's kind of cool looking. Probably won't keep it for very long, but at least till the rest of this video. I guess I should actually put it on, see what it feels like on my wrist. Alright, not too bad. Doesn't feel very heavy. The gesture screen on works pretty well. On the wrist, they both look pretty similar. So I'm pretty glad it's the same size as what I'm already used to. The bezel's a lot harder to turn on the S2. It's kind of stiff and doesn't really give you a lot of feedback. But on this new Galaxy Watch, it has like these defined clicks on it and it's way easier to turn, which so far I like better. We'll see. Now I just want to see if it charges on my old S2 charger. Yeah, looks like it's gonna charge on it. Guess doesn't like this charger that much. It's like it will charge, but it doesn't want me to use this one. Alright, and here's the actual charger. Looks like it still says it's going to be around the same time as the other charger did, so I don't know if there's actually a difference between them, but I'm going to stick with the one this one came with. And now I just kind of want to see if the S2 charges on this one. Oh, it says it's charging, but it doesn't flip the screen, so I don't know. I guess we'll have to see it in the long run. Oh, it's flashing red, so maybe not. So there was my unboxing on the Galaxy Watch. So far it seems pretty cool. I might do a full review on it later just to have a more in-depth look at it. Let me know what you thought in the comments below and subscribe for more content like this. We still do have another 3D printed video coming about the things I use with my setup, so look out for that. Should be within the next couple days. And thanks for watching.